Got a broody chicken? Want to know how to trick them? Pay attention. Before we get started, I want to thank all of my Patreons. The Patreons support all of the things that I'm trying to accomplish, the people I'm trying to help, and the things I'm trying to do. Once again, thank you for your support, and I hope you watching this video will think about becoming a Patreon. Hey guys, I wanted to show you something you don't see every day. You ever seen that before? Well, chickens are broody and ridiculous and just these fickle animals. And my chickens are so fickle that they will knock eggs out of their nest that they don't like, and they will also not lay unless they know there's an egg there. So you're saying, well, we'll put a fake egg in there and they'll lay. Nope, not my chickens. So what I actually have to do is go out there every time I check for eggs and put a little blue dot on the egg that's there, and then leave that one with the blue dot, because chickens, for all their intelligence, can't count. Yeah, that's right, they can't count. So I leave the one with the blue dot there, and then every day when I come out to check the eggs, I bring my pen and I collect all of them, and I leave what I believe to be the newest egg and a blue dot on it in there. And they leave me 2 eggs every day. The more you know. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit that link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol, the join, or the letters. It doesn't matter. And just hit, and that'll get you started. It's only $3 a month, and I tell you what, it is money well spent, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper than buying stuff off my Amazon page. Okay, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I will see you when I see you. Bye-bye.